Hi everybody, my name is Adam and Dino, and today we're going to talk about what happens when people are too close. What do you mean too close? Well, right now, you are too close to me.
I am? Oh, yeah, that was too close. My lips were being moved over to the side and I couldn't breathe.
Oh, hey, sorry, that's not quite being a good friend.
It kind of isn't. If you're too close,
Like this? Yeah, that's too close again. Back up, please. Oh, sorry, I did it again.
that's right. You were a little too close again. So if people are getting too close, that can hurt a friendship.
Oh, I don't want to do that.
Don't worry. If you make a mistake, it's okay. You can just back up a little bit and give people the space that they need.
Okay. Well, I like people.
You know what? I'm glad you like people. And I like dinos and I like people too. But when they need a little space, it's okay to make a little bit of space between them so you both can have fun doing what you're doing.
Okay, I think I get it.
All right, are you ready for the rest of the day?
Yes.
I am too. I think the kids are too. Thanks for watching about giving space.